welcome to N Curve24. This is yet another video on skincare topic. This is going to be a comparison or review video on compacts and loose powders. I have picked 4 different compacts and loose powders which can be suited for oily skin. This is completely based on my experience about these products, and you can let me know which work for you. So let's get started. This one is Lakme 9 to 5 Matte Complexion Compact. This is the most familiar one, I hope, in this list because it's available everywhere. It is in the shade Almond Matte. It is a fine setting powder which many people use as a finishing for makeup. It has a very sleek, nice package. It's travel friendly and also affordable. It comes with a mirror and a puff. It gives an even finish to the makeup, but there are some cons which I notice. For my skin, it does not control oiliness for a longer time. It stays about 2 hours and then it fades away. Also, I felt lot of itching and irritation whenever I use it, but it may work well for others. It depends. For girls with oily skin, you may need retouch-ups, and this is the only con about this product, that its staying power is less, but it's a super affordable product, so my rating would be 3. Next compact I'm showing you is 3 Beauties. I don't know how many of you have heard of this. For me also, this is a little bit new product, and it shows it's a London company, and it comes in a package of 20 gram, and it is also affordable product, and the quantity is more compared to the Lakme compact. This product does not have a mirror, but it has a puff inside and it has a smooth texture, and after applying it gives a smooth finish. It can be used as a setting powder for everyday usage. As you can see, it's in the shade medium 06. As you can see, it says 3 Beauties of London Private Limited. The pro about the product would be the quantity. It comes in a very good quantity, and the package is also nice, and it's really affordable and travel friendly too. It's pocket friendly as well as travel friendly. I will show you how it looks, and you can have a look at the product. To open it and show you. The puff also shows the 3 Beauties faces, the logo of the company, and also the same logo is shown in the compact itself. The only con about this product is the same. It stays for maximum of 3 hours, and after that you need retouch-ups, but it's okay compared to the Lakme compact. This is far more better, and you can use even if you have an oily skin also. This gives a matte finish, and it controls oiliness to some extent for at least 3 hours, and after that if you do retouch-ups, it looks good, and the rating would be 3.5. This is from Blue Heaven Sapphire Translucent Powder. This is not a compact, this is a loose powder from Blue Heaven. This is an Indian company, and it also has 3 shades. One is blush for extremely fair skin, and natural for medium skin tone, and also has a dark tan shade which is for wheaty skin tone. So they have 3 good shades for our Indian skin tones, which is a really good thing comparing to the other compacts or other brands. So my favorite is this one because it controls oiliness for a longer time compared to the other high-end products, and this is really affordable. It comes in a 125 rupee package, and it has 20 gram of the product. This is the shade natural, and this product will last you for at least 2 months, or at least 1.5 months for sure. I have been using this for continuously second time I am using this. This is the second one. As you can see, this is the puff. It has a really good puff which doesn't get damaged easily, and also you can see the holes. You can just shake the tub and take the powder in the puff, and also you can open this and use some makeup brush and take some powder and apply it as you do makeup. It's completely your choice, you can do. And cons, I didn't find anything about this product. Also, this doesn't break me out. Most of the compact and most of the makeup product break me out very badly, but this doesn't react with my extremely sensitive oily skin. It controls oiliness to a longer time, and maybe after 4 or 5 hours you can do retouch-ups to control the oiliness of your face. But definitely I would recommend this because it's affordable as well as effective loose powder. I completely love this product, so I will continue to use this, and my rating would be 4 out of 5. This one is Lakme whitening rose powder with SPF, most familiar one. It comes in a universal shade of whitish color, and it suits for almost all the skin types, and it has a thin puff. The problem is that it has a messy packaging. Even though they have shown it very nicely outside, the powder just gets coming out all the time whenever I use it, and I have to clean it. It also has holes like this. You can shake and take the powder out, but before that also powder comes out. Since it's a universal shade, all the skin tone people can use this, and but the only con about this product is you need to blend it properly. If you didn't blend it properly on your skin, what happens is that it will leave some whitish cast some here and there. It controls oiliness for a considerable amount of time, and also it didn't break me out. It doesn't cause any kind of irritation or reaction on my skin. It is a super affordable product. It comes in a 160 rupees package, and this also lasts for at least 2 months or more than that. It comes in a huge good quantity of 27 gram, which is really nice. And it also comes with SPF, so you can wear it even without a sunscreen. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up and let me know which you like the most, and please consider subscribing to my channel.